Instead of duplicating the same animation over and over again, what if you could build it once, customize every copy, and still keep everything linked? But here's what usually happens when you need to make dramatic changes like text or colors. Instead of using one composition, you end up duplicating it. Pop-up 1, pop-up 2, pop-up 3, and before long, your project starts filling up with almost identical compositions. Now, if I want to brighten the background, I have to open every single one and repeat the same change. It works, but it doesn't scale very well. Here's where Essential Graphics changes the workflow. I've exposed the controls I want inside the Essential Graphics panel. Now, instead of duplicating compositions, I can duplicate a single layer directly in my timeline. Each copy gets its own essential properties. That means I can change the title, switch between a shortcut and a quick tip layout, update the accent color, or customize the text. All without ever opening another composition. Every duplicate is unique when it needs to be. But here's the clever part. If I go back into the master composition and change something shared, like the glass brightness, every single instance updates instantly. The same thing happens with the shared text controls. One edit in the master composition updates every copy automatically, while each instance still keeps its own unique settings. It's a much cleaner workflow, especially as your projects become more complex.